Today, we're going to talk about the single most important thing that you need as an entrepreneur. Now, don't take this lightly and don't just walk away. This is something so important. Every single one of my clients has needed some help in one way or another in regards to this one thing. And once they get this in check, they're able to really recognize how powerful it is and what it can do to magnify their personal lives and to magnify their business. As an empowerment coach, I am here to help get you motivated for your business. Now, the reason this is so important is because if you have the motivation, you have the drive, you know that you can believe in yourself and you can do anything. The one thing that you need in your business is self-worth. Now, what this does is it comes to you on a personal level, but it carries over into your business. If you feel worthy, you can start to feel worthy of abundance. You can start to feel worthy of having the sales, of making more money than your spouse, of doing the things and being paid for it. If you don't feel worthy of being paid for it, you're going to come across in a completely different way than if you're feeling worthy for it. But self worth isn't only about money. It's about bringing a level of confidence, a level of empowerment to your business. And what this will do for your business is create a resourcefulness. You'll start to realize that you really can do anything and that you have resources around you, even if you can't do it personally yourself. It will help you to also navigate your boundaries and set boundaries. It'll help you to be more decisive in your business. Gaining self worth, that can take some time to develop, especially if you were brought up not believing in yourself, or if you have some sort of neurodivergence and you feel like you've always been hiding the true you. There's a lot to unpack when it comes to valuing yourself, valuing your skills, your talents, your services, everything that you're providing in your business. But once you can nail that down, you get this opportunity to really shine. And the cool thing is being an empowerment coach, I get to help bring that self-worth into my clients' lives until they have developed it enough on their own to be able to be out there and know that it's there all the time, or at least most of the time. So today I'd like you to do a little self-analysis. On a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is very low and 10 is high, where do you fall on the self-worth scale? So self-worth at a 10 would be you completely believe in yourself. You know the value that you bring to the table. You will charge what you believe you're worth. You will set your boundaries and you won't stray from them because you value not only everything about yourself and business, but you value the balance that you're creating in your personal life. To be on the low end of the scale would mean that you really don't set boundaries. You don't feel like you're worthy of it. You're feeling a lot of imposter syndrome or comparing yourself to other businesses. That would be on the lower end. So in the comments, let me know where you're falling right now and why. And the thing is it's always a moving target. So know that today you might feel like an 8, tomorrow you might feel like a 3, and the next day you might feel like a 5. It's completely normal to be different places based on the situations you're facing at the time, your home life at the moment, and other things going on. However, noticing a pattern and being able to distinguish where you are on an average or most of the time will help you to know how much work you need to do in this area. There are days where I have my lulls, and I encourage you to take advantage of the days when you are higher than when you are lower. So typically, if your self-worth is higher, you're going to do better when it comes to interacting with other people because you feel better about yourself. So this comes from self-love, self-care, and just valuing who you are. If you are looking to develop more of that self-worth, the self-care, the self-love, the being honest with who you are and showing up authentically, if that's who you want to be in business, go and take a look at the description below and be in touch with me. Find me on my socials and subscribe to this channel. You'll also find other links down below if you do want to work on a closer basis with me. As your empowerment coach, I'm so excited to be along this journey with you and to watch you develop develop your self-worth and your authenticity in life and in business. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.